Hello guys, we have come again with a new video, and this time we are going to uh, Kondeshwar Waterfalls, Kondeshwar Temple. The map showing 80 km from here. Okay, let's explore the place.
So by the side of the highway, we have halted in this restaurant, Puja Udupi Pure Veg Restaurant, and we have completed our breakfast right now, and we again going to set off our journey for the destination. So till then, stay with us.
This is a pure veg restaurant and Jain food also available here, and there would be another HP petrol pump beside that.
On the way, you will find some greenhouse like this. And the road will be a little narrow after you cross the national highway, but it's okay. Sometimes it's bad, but it's okay.
Can you see the dam there? The nature at its best in this place. This place is not like any other visitor's place like Lonavala, Khandala. It's not that much crowded. This is an unexplored place and a hidden gem of Pune. Just see the greenery. You can only hear the cricket sound, the chirping of bird sound, and the sound of the flowing water. Enjoy the nature.
So after reaching Kondeshwar Mandir, we found some petrol thief case happens there. So we decided not to park our car over there. सो कोंडेश्वर मंदिर हम लोग पीछे चढ़ आए हैं. रास्ता वहाँ पे क्लोज़ है, लेकिन उधर से 2 किलोमीटर ट्रेकिंग करने के बाद कुछ तो अच्छा सा नदी का किनारा मिलेगा जो कि रास्ते पे भी आता है, तो हम लोग उधर जाएंगे. 2 किलोमीटर ट्रेक नहीं करेंगे. If you want to have food spa,
You can sit here
you can sit here and place your leg
into these
calmly,
rocks,
calmly.
and the
But
small
if you-
fishes like that will come and eat your dead cells. So you will get a food spa experience here in free.
But you can't move your leg, okay? So they will go.
টেম্পল বাইক আসছে দাঁড়া
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना
তো আমি তো এখন স্টিয়ারিং ফিয়ারিং পুরো ছেড়ে দিয়েছি হাওয়া ফাওয়া ছেড়ে দিয়েছি গাড়ি চলছে রাস্তাটা ঢালু অনেকক্ষণ ধরে বসে যারা মস্তি নিচ্ছি ফিট গিয়ে ছেড়ে দিয়ে এবার একটু হচ্ছে টানতে হবে
If you've liked our video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.